Yeah, all of this has algae all over it. And then we're doing this concrete patio. This will do for today. Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back to Northern Wash Pressure Washing. Thank you guys for tuning in today. Today I'm gonna go wash a partial house, and I'm only saying it's a partial house because where I'm going, the homes are attached, so I'm washing the 3 sides. I'm not gonna wash like the 4th side, obviously, because that's where it's attached to the other house. And then I'm washing the front concrete and then the back patio. I think it's concrete as well. So that's what I have going on today. I am sick. Started getting sick like the day before yesterday. At night, like my stomach was just hurting. I didn't think anything of it. The next day I just felt like crap, but then finally last night was when I got all of like the symptoms of like a stomach bug. I got fever, headache, and man, it was just bad. So I thought about canceling, but it was at night already. It was too late of a notice. So I'm just gonna fight through it, complete this service, and I do have an estimate. Luckily with that estimate though, I don't have to meet with anybody. It's for a building. I'm just gonna go take a look at the building, and then I'm gonna send the quote off to the person that I'm talking with. That's what we have going on today. I keep telling myself I just gotta get through this, and then I'll be good. All right, I just got done talking with the customer, and yes, I did stay like 6 feet apart. You know, I don't want to get them sick. Plus I'm outside and they were kind of standing inside of the door. But this is the house we're gonna be washing. And then there's a front concrete right here, and then I'll take you around to the back where I'm gonna wash the patio as well. It looks like it's gonna rain, but I already looked at the weather and it says it's not going to, so hopefully it doesn't rain, because that would just make it a lot worse. So yeah, it's going to be this garage right here, and the door, the concrete, and then just this part right here. Actually, you know, half of this part right here. That's where it splits, she told me. So yeah, this is the concrete right here. And it is green. It does have algae, you can tell, especially right there. Hopefully the grass is not too wet. Still have my tennis shoes on. Yeah, all of this has algae all over it. You can tell like the green haze right here, but I'll get close up. So yeah, all this goes all the way up. Again, it's only 3 sides because it is I don't know what these houses are called. I forget the name, but the houses are attached. And it comes around the back. Luckily it rained, so it kind of already watered the plants. And then we're doing this concrete patio. You can see it's in really bad shape. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'll move all this, and we'll get started. And obviously we're doing up to this fence. That's where the house divides. All right, so let's go ahead and get everything set up. I'm gonna tape up the house and get everything out, and then I'll start filming again. All right, I'm all set up, taped up everything all around the house, and I moved everything off the patio. I was looking for my ear protection, but forgot it at the house, so I guess this will do for today. I took it out because I did some landscaping at the house and I needed my ear protection. I guess I forgot to put it back. I mean, something is better than nothing, right? Okay, I'm all done here. I actually forgot to put on the weight because you saw all the force makes it look like a hoverboard. But it wasn't that bad here because I actually did need it to come up right there on that step. But in the back there's no step, so I do need the weight because it makes it a little harder when the weight is not on there because you're trying to keep it down the whole time. And with the weight, it just stays down. You just gotta guide it wherever you want it to go. So I'm gonna move over to the back now. I'm all done doing the first wash. Everything came out really nice and clean. You can see it already took off most of the stuff. So now I just gotta add the soap and it should finish getting everything off. I'll do like the corners or under that with the wand. So I'm gonna go ahead and start adding soap. I'll start adding soap back here and I'll let the concrete dwell longer. I'm gonna add soap to the back and the side and the concrete. That way the side that's really bad and green has a longer time to dwell as well. Okay, I'm all done adding the soap on the side and the back. You can already tell what a big difference that it made right here. Got all the algae all. Just needs to get rinsed now. Yeah, and this was the problem side. So yeah, everything looks really good now. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and start rinsing. Well, I had to stop and run because I got attacked by bees or wasps. I really can't tell. I think they're wasps though. Luckily, I don't think I'm allergic to them because I've been stung by a bee before and it just hurt. And wasp, I really think I think those are wasps. Because the pain was, man, it was severe. It was right away. I am hoping it was bees because I think bees are less aggressive, dangerous. I'm not sure. But yeah, I'll show you guys. So yeah, he got me right there. Oh man. So yeah, I just dropped my gun and I ran from there because I saw all of them come out flying. I just had to evacuate the area right away. But oh man, that sucked. That was horrible. I thought it was those prickly things that got me, but yeah, they're all right there. They're all mad. They're actually going in and out right there. I don't know if you guys can see that. Oh yeah, they're going in and out right there where that pipe is. I don't even want to get close, like that hurt. But yeah, I'm gonna retrieve my gun somehow because they are mad. And I had literally just got stung by a bee. Oh my god, they're starting to come towards me. I had literally got stung by a bee like what, 2 weeks ago on my hand. I had show you guys, and actually it's barely getting better. I don't know if you guys can see that. I got stung right there. I thought I had a first aid kit, but it's like, I don't know, it's weird. It's like half a first aid kit. I never even noticed it. I think my parents gave it to me. They're like, oh, here, we have this. And I just assumed it was a first aid kit, but it has stuff in it, but it doesn't even have like alcohol in it. Like I wanted, like it has all this stuff. But yeah, there's nothing in here like an alcohol wipe. Like I wanted to wipe it clean, but I just gotta get through this day. Just want to go home and rest. All right, back to the show. Okay guys, so I apologize for this video. I accidentally recorded in time-lapse mode, so that's why it looks like this. Right there I was telling you that I was going to be putting on 50-50 just so that it comes out a lot cleaner. The part of the house that splits into two, I only put soap on her side of the house, but when I rinsed it, I rinsed both sides just in case I got any overspray on her neighbor's side. And then up next on the windows and on the siding of the house, you guys can see that there is artillery fungus. She actually let me know about it. She said that she had called a pest control company and that they couldn't tell her what it was. So I went ahead and I told her what it was and how she can control it so that it doesn't keep spreading everywhere. So she was okay with it because she already knew about it. But yeah, the entire house came out nice and clean. I did wipe down a couple spots just because there was a lot of bleeding. Right there, I'm telling you guys that I'm going to be rinsing that down because I did track some mud on it. But overall, the house came out nice and clean. On the side of the house, which was the main reason that she called me, everything came out nice and clean. All that green haze that was right there, everything came off. In the back too, everything came out nice and clean. I haven't put anything back on the deck yet. I wanted it to dry a little bit. Plus I wanted to show you guys how everything came out. I didn't put away my pressure washer because once I put everything back on the deck, I'll probably track some mud and I want to rinse it down. Alright, so here's a better close-up of how everything came out. This is me in the shade right now of the concrete. I made sure to get under there, behind there, in the corners, everything. I got in the seams or the cracks. And then some parts are still drying, some parts are already trying to get out of my shadow. Yeah, and I changed my shoes, so I won't track anything on it right now, but yeah, everything came out nice and clean. I think she's gonna love it. Right now I'm just gonna put everything back on here. I didn't put the pressure washer away in case I tracked anything. That way I can rinse it off again. Oh man, that's a wrap. I'm all done. Did the walk around with the customer and she really loved how everything turned out. A really friendly lady, a really nice lady. I told her about the wasp where I got stung. I told her to be careful that it is going into her house. I showed her the inlet of the gas where it goes into her house. I told her to be careful. She's gonna get somebody out to take a look at it. She really loved how everything turned out. I think I'm gonna get a good review out of it. That's it for today. That was tough, man. Like, the job overall was not tough, but it was tough because I'm sick. Again, I did keep my 6 feet away from her, and we were outside when we were doing the walk around. I ended up pushing through it. I'm all done. I can't wait to go home and rest. But before that, I have to go do an estimate for a building. Once I'm done with that, I'm going home, calling it a day. So thank you guys for tuning in. Thanks for everything. Please keep liking, subscribing, commenting. Let me know if you guys have any questions. I'm always willing to help. Anybody out there who's hustling too, keep up the good work, and God bless y'all. See you guys on the next one. Peace.
Are you a business owner seeking to elevate your business to new heights? Or are you an aspiring entrepreneur eager to launch your own business? If you're looking for guidance and support to achieve your goals, look no further. Do you own a pressure washing company or service company? Are you struggling to land jobs or grow your business? I offer personalized solutions depending on where you are in the growth stage of your business. I can help you with your business strategy, marketing, sales, operations, or any other challenges you may be facing. Ready to take your business to the next level? Book a consultation today. Visit my website to learn more. northernbusinesscoach.com